Slay means to kill someone or something. This meaning is used in stories, history, or movies. In simple words, slay equals kill. Easy example. The dragon was slain by the hero. The hero killed the dragon. Meaning 2, modern slang. Meaning, in modern English, slay means to do something extremely well. It is used to give praise or appreciation. In simple words, slay equals do something amazingly well. Easy slang examples. She slayed the dance performance. She did it very well. You slay in that outfit, you look great. More simple example sentences. The hero slayed the monster. She slayed the exam. He always slays on stage. Daily life situations. Stories use slay for fighting scenes. Friends use slay to praise success. Social media often uses slay. Student-friendly sentence. She slayed her presentation. Important point to remember. The meaning of slay depends on the situation. Old meaning is serious. Modern slang meaning is positive. Easy memory tip. Slay equals kill or do very well.